Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. That's right, those nifty little gadgets that let you pretend you're a professional photographer or a secret agent. We've got two contenders in the ring today, the Ruko U11S on the left and the ATTOP drone on the right. Let the drone showdown begin. Alright folks, if you're looking to save some cash for your next pizza night, the ATTOP drone is the clear winner here, coming in at just $99. That's right, less than $100. Meanwhile, the Ruko U11S is priced at a more premium $283. But hey, maybe you want to splurge a little. Let's see if it's worth the extra dough. Next up, the all-important camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. You can capture those perfect Instagram moments and make your friends jealous. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone offers a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Not too shabby, but if you want to count every pore on your face, 4K is the way to go. Now, let's talk about flight features. The Ruko U11S is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has optical flow positioning for safe indoor flights and GPS positioning for stable outdoor flights. Plus, it can hover like a pro, making it easier to snap those epic shots. The ATTOP drone, though, is no slouch. It's got voice control, gesture recognition, and can do a 360 degrees flip. It's like the circus performer of drones. Who needs stability when you can do flips, right? Battery life is crucial because nobody likes a drone that knocks out mid-flight. The Ruko U11S offers a decent 20 minutes per battery, and you get 2 batteries, giving you a total of 40 minutes of fly time. That's almost as long as an episode of your favorite TV show. The ATTOP drone also gives you 20 minutes with its 2 batteries. But let's be honest, you'll probably spend half of that time doing flips and tricks. Portability is key for those of us who want to take our drones on the go. The Ruko U11S folds up nicely and is about the size of a mobile phone. You can slip it in your pocket and be ready to fly at a moment's notice. The ATTOP drone is also foldable and comes with a handy carrying case. It's like a little drone suitcase, perfect for those spontaneous drone adventures. Last but not least, let's talk about ease of use. The Ruko U11S is designed with beginners in mind. It has a transmitter that charges directly, so you don't have to fuss with batteries. Plus, it has one-key functions that make it super easy to operate. The ATTOP drone isn't far behind with its one-button takeoff and landing, one-key return, and altitude hold. It's like the drone equivalent of autopilot. According to Amazon reviews, the Ruko U11S stands out for its high camera quality, ease of use, and overall value, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced flyers. Reviewers appreciate its stability, compact design, and long battery life. On the other hand, the ATTOP drone is praised for being budget-friendly and fun, especially for beginners and children, but it has mixed reviews regarding its app functionality and performance in windy conditions. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a smart shopping tip. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you're going for. Product links are in the description. Happy flying, and see you next time!